Alright everyone, welcome to Supercar Saturday at Lamborghini Broward. And check out the color on this Performante. This just looks, is this a wrap? This has to be a wrap. No, I don't see any creases, I don't see any folds. I think this is factory paint. Look at this. I mean, I've seen colors like this before, but they're usually like aftermarket or as a wrap, but I mean, if this is a wrap, this is really well done. Wow, look at all the forged carbon. Oh, you got the Audi R8 coming in. Oh, wow, look at this thing. What an amazing color on this Performante. You see color shifting to blue and back into purple. Very nice. I see that they deleted the Italian flag stripe there, so I don't know. That kind of makes me feel like it's a wrap, but this is just so perfect. Maybe he deleted it as an option. It's a possibility. There's another car over here that I want to check out with you guys. This 720S. Let me just pop over there real quick. Before I show you guys the 720, check this out. McLaren P1, the original. 903 horsepower hypercar. Look at this color. Look at this. It's very vibrant, especially in the sun. Let's take a look around. Just look at this thing, especially as it shines in the sun. This has to be like an MSO color. It has to be. Oh, Gulf Coast, okay. These guys came all the way over here from Naples. Love the interior of the 720. I kind of like the interior of the 570 with the floating screen. It looks a little, give it a more airy cockpit, but look at that. Dry carbon on the steering wheel, dry carbon on the dash. Look at this. Whoever buys this is going to be happy. Continuing with the theme. 570S. Look at this yellow. A lot of nice colors today. Very vibrant. But it's getting hot. So let's head inside real quick. All right. Thank you. What do we have here? Performante Spider. Look at this. No SVJs yet. Haven't come out, but we got the Aventador SV Spider or Roadster. And the new Urus SUV. Not sure if you guys remember, but I did a video, and that's what with this, not this one, but with a gray Urus when it came in. And that video has over like 20,000 views. It's one of my most viewed videos. So hopefully, if I can talk to somebody here at Lamborghini Broward, maybe get a test drive with it. That's all I really need at this point. All right, so let's see what's in the service bay. Let's see. Aventador SV up on the lift. Got a yellow Huracan. Yellow Aventador S. We got a Diablo. Let's see. Mostly just Lambos. Nothing too crazy out here. The blue Aventador S. 2000 GT, of course. Always there. What else is here? What in the hell? Look at this Camaro. Well, I mean, the price of Bitcoin has dropped from 20,000 down to about 6.5 right now, so I guess, I mean, it's still pretty high. Not as much as it used to be, though. Got the Batman logo there. I guess it's Bruce Wayne, Bitcoin Wayne, I don't know. Let's see what else we got. This is it's Performante. Got Gallardo Performante. Huracan. Let's see, 570S. There's actually a lot of events today. Clean Culture's having an event. Ferrari is having an event. As a matter of fact, Hot Wheels down in Hollywood. I mean, in Doral, they're even having an event. The Hot Wheels Legends Tour. What the heck is this? Is that a Morgan three-wheeler? Okay, what do we have here? I don't even know. Like all these rivets are actually just airbrushed on. This is a huge airbrushing job. It's a Carpazia? I can't even read it. It's pretty crazy. So it's a three-wheeler, which I think nowadays they're classified as an auto cycle. They actually just removed the motorcycle designation, so you don't need your motorcycle endorsement to ride one of these, to drive one of these. There you go, there's your luggage. Looks like it's perhaps an automatic. The speedometer in the middle. Oh, pretty nifty. With the quilting on the leather seats. So hopefully, I don't see a top, so hopefully it doesn't rain. This thing is crazy. Okay, so I'm getting some mixed signals here. So the front end is that of an LP580. That is a carbon fiber front lip added there. But then he has the three-color Italian flag stripe from the Performante, and this big wing here, this big carbon fiber wing. So at first glance, it almost looks like a Performante because you look at the wing, you look at the stripes there, it looks like a Performante. But this is actually a rear-wheel drive Huracan. So a little confusing at first, but that's pretty cool. Here you go, memory of Burt Reynolds. Got the Pontiac Trans Am with the fire chicken on top. Look at this interior. Oh, it's perfect. There you go. Here's the Phoenix, the fire chicken. This is a TA 6.6 liter V8 under the hood. There you go. Got the shaker hood there. Really nice. Really well kept. Oh, nice. There's a few more exotics out here. So let's see who showed up. So I think this is a dealer's car. This is the Performante, Huracan Performante. Here's the Jaguar F-Type Project 7. This is a special one-off from Jaguar. I think they made 7 of these. I'm not sure. What else do we have out here? What else do we have here? Dodge Demon. Very nice. 800 horsepower. Ooh, Vantage. Very nice. There's the Liberty Walk GTR rolling away. Very nice. I think Solus is here. Yeah, Aventador. I think this is Jason's Aventador actually. There it is. There it is. Look at that. I know I've featured it like a few times already, but just look at this color. Beautiful. Especially when it shines in the sun. Just that brilliant, brilliant yellow shine. Here's my buddy Dennis's 720S. Carbon fiber hood. Really cool. So I think the day's winding down. Well, the show is winding down. So everybody's going to be going out to lunch. I got to figure out where we're going for lunch. And we'll be ready to rock and roll. All right, boys and girls, we're going to be heading over to Bo Campers for lunch. So a bunch of supercars have already left. They're already headed that way. All right, guys, event's over. Everything's winding down. We're all going to Bo Campers for lunch. So there's a little lunch rally going on. A bunch of supercars have already left, so I'm going to join them in the Mustang. I'm not going to record myself, but you'll see me over there like that. All right, just got here at Bo Campers. So here we are. We got double Corvettes. Got a couple exotics here. Got the Huracan, couple Huracans GTR. So I'm going to head in, get some lunch. This is a pretty awesome sports grill. I've been here before. Lots of great food, a lot of good options. And it's not very expensive. It's actually reasonably priced. So let's get some lunch. All right. Where's everybody? Probably in the back. Here we go. Here's the gang. All right, guys, I'm all done here at Bo Campers. Just checking out a couple cars before I leave. Check out this Hammond KN. Beautiful Miami blue Porsche. I think it's a Carrera 4S, I think. So yeah, I'm going to be heading home. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you got a comment, any suggestions you might have for me. I got some really cool stuff planned to shoot on Monday and Tuesday, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. And what else do I have for you guys? Oh, be sure to check out the website, finishlinefactory.com. Peace. Bye.